Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium ke Bahapulo Shillong, ke Balong ke Stadium ke Bala Rimtam Hakajala. Kala sedang ban itenat biang lingba ke Jingwan jong ke Lumpung Yelekai 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup. Hakani kanong ba an benlong ye Jingya Kun jong ke Group F. Kiba kentup ye ke Shillong Lejong, kumjo ki artali ki Kenhun Yelekai India Super League, kata ke Goa FC bat Hyderabad FC, lembat ke we ke Kenhun na Nepal ka Tribhuwan Army FC. Nakaliang uba Syakliar Wajri Menteri Badai Khmi Yakatanat Sports ke Sorkar Jela, hakalai puwe tarik unailar arja arbasa ulalit ban jurip yakajingpen kre yakati ke Lumpung. Kani kejinglet jurip Menteri kalong Arsengi Shwa Kejingya Kun beningkong jong ke Group F, jong kani ke Lumpung, kabanlong haka ar tarik unailar arja arbasa habdeng ke Shillong Lejong FC, bat ke Tribhuwan Army FC, hakapor sabaje no phaisngi. Nalor kita ki artali ki Football Club, artali ki weipat ki badan lang haka Group F ki kentup yaka Goa FC bat ka Hyderabad FC. Haka ni kasngi haka jingjurep laya senran lang yoba Syakliar daki ofisar Katanat Sports kinong yalam ke Meghalaya Football Association ki ba mikmat yaka Durand Cup Organizing Committee nalor ki weipat. Kajingpen kre kalayat syat-syat bat kisah samalumala kajingpen bet penbiang ki badang hab ban le laong menteri habakran Syakilat Pathai Kubor hadin kajingjurep. Ulaong bakumba ke jala kedai ke bait football hadu kata-kata. Kumta ukmi lenti bagajingdan ke Kenhun Yelekai na ke jala ke Shillong Lejong kan pensyong syet ye gijing Yelekai hakani ke madan. Dak baben pau ba ke Durand Cup kedai ke bala rim bat pau nampha. Kumta kani ke Lumpung kan ai men sim syuk-syuk ya ki wipat ki klub ha ke jala.
बच्चे वाले पीछे एक लाइन कर दो आला लाइन बस ये जैसे खत्म होगा ये पिरामिड के पीछे चाहिए ये लोग अपना बच्चा बस क्लोज हो जाएगा बच्चा बस स्पेशल लाइन में आपको क्लोज हो जाएगा आप जब भी प्रोग्राम करेंगे तो बच्चे को पास में पिरामिड किया ओके अभी खड़े होकर लाइन करना है गटके वाले वहीं पे रहो वहीं पे रहो वहीं पे रहो आप आगे आओ हाँ नहीं अभी लाइन करो आगे ओके बॉयज अभी आप लोग जैसे भांगड़ा वाला शुरू या
No, but then you popped Ami. These 40 came all the way from Bangalore. Today morning only they
Amazing.
everything is planned on a map where these guys are, what time frame, and their time frame is just with the legend, and this is how the map of the timing is there.
Now it's just that we have to just hope
that we've given our best. Despite the time frame that we had.
We have a plan of going to balls to Dipsy. That's a backup there. But other thing will happen. That other thing will happen even if rain. But those
kajing inspection kajungi ilap nakaliang ke Department of Sports, nakaliang ki Army bat ki Air Force ba harikat kajing trelang ni baro hi ila ala ia ke ba min pelong ready kan ke stadium nak mentaban play ka duran cup ke artrek bara kajing pe hadu mentang imba dak number 95 to 98% ka kam baro la debut ibrang sai dan sang kendiat hi mulumala nang tak artrek beringi kermen ba hapo ka artrek baro hi kala debut berkum pe PE hi menta bagi babun ki jing konkret lai dang ya cakman
kai ka justru jo pi gum minister benar kare hapo dunia jo pi ba talak menun rai kum gani kalumpung ilakai kum itet ba Shillong kare kita ka bestrat bai ki ilakai football
pi kamdi tangga jing sngo jong amroi kum minister ngong kani kalong ka burom nak ka jelahi baro kowe momde tang nam tak government ri pai ba hi jong ka jelan marba niyo ye ka bangin host ka ka duran cup dari one of the oldest cup support ka you de kalong hi ka burom nak ka jela ka ni ye ka bangi yo bangin host ye ka ni ni sinem momentan
muka government ga trelang da kani ga organizing committee jo kani ka duran cup
la bun sim milai kendo nakaliang jong ka government nakaliang ki organizing committee jong ka army ki air force mila ya kren ki babon ki liang ki babon ki benta nakaliang ka jungki ki committee ki baper nakaliang ka jongiru ngi dari committee ki baper ki banya pet banya kren marka kumong pi ka jingya ai jingmud lang apering jongki air force ka army ka state government kata ka jingya ai jingmud lang ka jingya play jingmud lang lalaban pelong dia ke pengilong ready nam tak ka duran cup
kata ga sen ba nukong ba Shillong ga niyo ban priang ba niyo iru kita cingla kai ki ba itra kata ga long ba kai ga bakidan ba kentu pa ba bagi pa masukin kai ga bakidan ba kentu pa ba keluan si kade ga lumpung ila ka
nakaliang ka junga kumba pi bila ongatan ba ngi ka state jungi ga deka jela ka bangi football ba te bangin nyo bangin saki yakini ki team ki bon la kai na sabar kumka napo Nepal Army napo FC2 napo FC Hyderabad Pagka bakam kung saan kita ki baro kadi bangidon ni ka team nak jelajong lagi kata kalong Shillong lajong tika jing ketu ka jong ajong ye pai ba jong ka jelaga jongi ki ba kamtam ikini ki ba it football ba ngin nyami renti ka artrik nak benta benwan bangin saki kan ka jing play ni ka duran kam nak benta ban I mean sim ha bangi pet ka team jongi bana jelajong lagi ke yo kan sim benta kan ka duran kam jeng sode bangi nak liang sarkar nak liang ki pai ba jong ka jelaru banginya Krishan kulum lang menginuan nginya Krishan nginya pek nginya saki aku mungkin nikah dan opening jong nikah duran cup
aku bisim ba kum gini cek lempung mo ngidon ka I League dan ki Super League aku ni pun nama Shillong tu kan I mean sim shu ye dikenai nak kai nak jela berkai kata ka thong ka ba pi minister don na banta football
nam tak football ki babon ki ba mangi kum ka department hi ni ladon ni ka jumut jumpukan hendai ka baidai berkani ka bentang ya ba kumno ke thong ke jing long ke jingkermen ke jungi ling ba kanika mengi host ke duran kap kolong bakanong ke jing I mean sim kumba piang ni don ki team ki bela kai ko I League kata Selong Lajong ki don ki team bela kai MSL ba ki don ki team ru nim khen teng di team ki ba he and then kwa ba kan ni ka Duran Cup kan ka jing ai men sim ya baru ki team ki don kan ki jela ka juni we football makin nang yo men sim susu makin nang itu sekarang ka we day ka football ni na kaliang kumba ong ipi na kaliang ka government ling yai persang na por bakumnu ngindang yai persan bi ki dan dengan Superman wakini ki baro kan long ka jing ai pintu ber kan long ka jing ai men sim na kum tak pai ba ki ba football bagi sport si baru ko
So if you can tell us about it.
Definitely today we have come for the inspection of the JL Stadium, which we are about to host the Duran Cup on the 2nd of August. It is the grand opening. And upon inspection, we have observed that 95 to 98% of the stadium is ready for the 2nd of August, which I believe by the 2nd of August will be 100% ready for the grand opening of the Duran Cup.
Our state is known as a football-loving, state. So, what is your message to the people for this upcoming?
My message to the people of our state is that this is a great thing for the state as a whole to be able to host the Duran Cup here in our loving state. And I would urge especially all the sports lovers, the football lovers, that to come out on the 2nd of August to come witness this grand opening and especially to come and support our teams, especially our team which is Selong Lajong, which is from our state, but to support our team and to support this Duran Cup as well.
One final question: if you can just share a glimpse about what this Duran Cup is all about, and in your tenure you have been able to bring this cup to the state.
Everyone
so
get
just tell us
down.
about that.
Duran Cup is a
Everyone get
very
down.
prestigious
Fast,
cup.
fast,
It's
fast.
one of the oldest cup, and it's not about me being, which is we are able to host the Duran Cup under my
Girls, boys,
tenure.
everyone get down
But like I
fast.
said, this is an achievement not only for the government, but I believe for the people of the state as a whole. It's a big achievement for us. So, like I said, we are very happy to be hosting this Duran Cup, and yeah, we are looking forward to for the 2nd of August.